You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary, including food names that many mispronounce. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more. This is French for twine, that's what it means, but it also refers to as a small narrow loaf of French bread. In French it's said as ficelle, ficelle. So in English, ficelle, ficelle. It's easy, ficelle or ficelle. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Good, correct French pronunciations and beyond. Thanks for watching. Merci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.